In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with GoHighLevel. Connecting these two platforms can streamline your communication processes and enhance your team's productivity by ensuring that all your important updates and notifications are concentrated in one place. Let's dive into the simple yet effective process to get them working hand in hand. First, you'll want to navigate to the GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the bottom of the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see an option labeled Settings. This is your first stop on this integration journey. By clicking on Settings, you open the door to a multitude of customization options that GoHighLevel offers to fine-tune the experience for your business needs. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice several tabs. What we're looking for today is a tab labeled Integrations. This is where GoHighLevel houses all of its connection points to other apps and services. Integrations are like the veins of information for your apps, allowing them to work together seamlessly. Click on this tab to proceed. As you scroll through the integration options, keep an eye out for Slack. It's usually listed among some of the more common integrations due to its popularity and utility. Slack acts as a hub for your team's communication, making it an indispensable tool for many businesses. Once you locate the Slack integration option, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you toward the authorization process. Now comes the pivotal step, which involves authorizing your Slack workspace. Think of this as granting permission for GoHighLevel to send and receive information to and from Slack. When prompted, you'll need to select the specific workspace you wish to connect. Ensure it's the correct one so that any notifications or alerts are sent to the right place. You might be asked to log into your Slack account if you haven't already. Provide your login credentials and follow the prompts. In this step, you are essentially inviting GoHighLevel into your Slack environment. It ensures that notifications from GoHighLevel, such as task updates, messages, or reminders, appear in your Slack channels, helping to keep everything and everyone in the loop without needing to toggle between different applications constantly. After following these steps, you should see a confirmation message indicating a successful integration. Congratulations! With this setup, your GoHighLevel activities can now directly influence and inform your Slack communications. This streamlined setup reduces the likelihood of missing crucial updates, ensuring your team remains informed and responsive. So that's it for integrating Slack with GoHighLevel. By following these straightforward steps, you've enhanced both platforms' utility, setting up a more efficient communication and notification system for your team. Remember to explore other integrations available on GoHighLevel to further maximize productivity and ease of use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you work smarter, not harder.